Differing war experiences. What was like for African Americans during World War One, both overseas and in America? Life for African American people was very hard since they did not have the same rights and equalities as the other white Americans. They were very badly treated and discriminated against just for having a different skin color. They were considered different from white people. They were thinking about whether to defend their country after all the mistreatment they had to endure and try to make them realize that we are all equal or do nothing. They decided to help to achieve equality. As expected, everything remained at the same despite saving their country and the efforts they made to achieve equality. Here are some photos of African Americans in World War One. Women in the past and currently in some countries have been greatly undervalued and considered inferior to men. Women had the opportunity to prove that they were equal to men in terms of right in World War One. They took advantage of that opportunity and the world saw that they were capable of doing the same as men and were given the same equalities and rights as men. From that day, there were no more differences between men and women in terms of rights. Here are some photos of women in World War One.